Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Fire TV. First, unbox your Fire TV device and connect it to an available HDMI port on your television. Next, plug in the power adapter and insert two AAA batteries into the remote control. Then, select the correct HDMI input on your TV to see the Fire TV interface. Finally, follow the simple on-screen prompts to connect to your home Wi-Fi network and complete the initial setup process. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your Fire TV is set up, navigating the interface is easy. Use the remote's circular navigation ring to browse the home screen, menus, and content categories. You can press the dedicated Home button to instantly return to the main interface at any time. To find specific content, utilize the convenient search function, which allows you to quickly locate movies, TV shows, and applications. Explore various categories like movies, TV shows, and apps to discover new entertainment options. A key feature of Fire TV is its extensive app library and powerful Alexa voice control. You can easily download popular streaming applications such as Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus from the App Store. To use voice commands, simply press and hold the Alexa button on your remote. Ask Alexa to open apps, search for specific content, or even control compatible smart home devices. You can also customize your app library by rearranging or deleting unwanted applications for a personalized experience. To enhance your Fire TV experience, consider these helpful tips and customization options. You can adjust video and audio settings within the menu for an optimal viewing experience tailored to your preferences. Setting up individual user profiles allows each family member to receive personalized content recommendations. Manage your device's storage by uninstalling unused apps or clearing cache data to maintain performance. Additionally, explore the robust parental controls to restrict access to age-inappropriate content, ensuring a safe viewing environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.